said the early bird gon' get the worm. Feel like I'm stuck in line, waiting my turn. All of the L's I took are lessons I learned. Success, it gotta be earned. Tell me why they sleeping on me. On me. Tell me why they sleeping on me. On me. Tell me why they sleeping on me. On me. Tell me why they sleeping on me. On me. Tell me why they. Find me in the middle of the map, right in the center. I'm a saint right now, but we all born sinners.
Alright, I'm getting ready to race this, man.
How many times are we pushing, bro?
Huh?
How many times we pushing off?
The whole time is I don't give a f. I got passengers, so it's like we gotta get it going. I gotta push as many times as I might need to. You ready? Alright, we're ready. It is too hot for that, ain't it? And I'm gonna be needing to breathe, so you ready? On three, honk your horn.
Let's get ready to rumble!
Oh! Oh! Oh, he's getting me! I got him! I got him! Let's get it. Now which way do I go?
Good question.
Huh?
Yeah, because if you go that way and then you take left, I don't go back the same way we came.
I don't want to go back that way.
You don't want to go back that way?
We can.
I don't care. Either that way or go and figure out how to get up there.
Bro, I thought there used to be a road back there to get.
There did. There did.
Wait, we go up here and we take a right, right?
What's this?
You go up there and take a right. We can go towards the river. I'm gonna go see.
Lead. Lead.
I'll be right back.
I'm coming. I have my traction control on. North.
Huh?
North. 104. You good? Oh yeah, baby. Out cruising my boy Kevin. I currently have a friend of mine with me. Her name is Elizabeth. She's pretty cool, man. I've known her for about 7 years now, something like that. Quite a while. So yeah, we're out riding. She's rode with me before. She's actually a really good passenger, man. 10 out of 10 passenger. Does everything you'd ask him to do as a passenger. Sheesh. Bunny can be a boat like a pontoon. Anybody got a pontoon they want to give a fella? I take donations. You know what I'm saying? I can definitely hear me a pontoon. Out on the pontoon. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, baby.
Feel alive, let's hit the dance floor. Don't work too hard, might break a backbone. Return of the Mac, the king is back though. Corvette and cash, I never lack those. She saw the stone, you know how that go. Fatality, my diamonds that cold. Versace trunks, I hit my backstroke. Knock on the door, she at the back, bro. All I really take is a little taste. I like girl blue eyes with a little bass. Here for the thrill, I don't need a chaser. Wanna vibe at a getaway. Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, I got the semi-fold weight. Don't step out the line like this a probate. You hit the line and try to locate. This for the top, got time for no day. Boy, too many, I'm going. Too crazy and I got bad ones and they ready. A good time, so now it's in the week we left that. Can't remember anything, but I know we got lit. Good times. Live in the moment, feel like summertime. Obsessed with nature, not a world mind. The room is spinning, but I feel fine. Oh my. Chandelier, limousines. Really think I'm seeing things. Read the line in between. Yellow light, I gotta speed up. Get home, take a cold shower. Need that pronto. Look like a rave at the condo. Heck of a night in Toronto. She said, boy, you in Morocco. Pearl white mention in the taco. Fill up my cup with the pop, whoa. High off life for the spot, though. Running out the visa, really talking to a real life Mona Lisa. Jesus pieces hanging off the fleecer. So much going on, it's hard to focus on the features. I got too many, I'm going. Too crazy, and I got bad ones and they ready. A good time, so now it's in the week we left that. Can't remember anything, but I know we got lit. Good times. Live in the moment, feel like summertime. Obsessed with nature, not a world mind. The room is spinning, but I feel fine. Oh my.
First or second? Second. First.
Let's get ready to rumble!
Hey, come on. Did I? Oh, earlier, way earlier, I know. I felt her. You lucky I ain't got the R1. I'd have came around that like you was sitting still.
Do you think it's really the weight difference?
Oh yeah. That? Yeah. Did you see how bad that was? Weight difference matters a lot on the bike. Now you see, don't you?
I'm fucking What's that, bro?
You gonna start cutting, ain't you?
I ain't, bro.
Normally I whoop his ass in a race. You hear me? Be gone on him. You gonna do a Willie? Said you gonna do a Willie?
No.
No? Alright. That's fair enough. Grab this bouteille. Second. Hey, second at 60.
Let's get ready to rumble.
I was gonna go through that, but you was too far back there. You can't see no flames right now.
I do.
You did? I couldn't. My God, look at that, boy. We got Megalotron up there. Megatron. Megalotron. I said Megalotron. I said Megalotron. That's Megatron. You see him? His left blinker on? You see him? He turned on his left blinker. Goofy.
I came from the mud. There's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon.